Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics because there is a lot of math involving in a function there is a lot of function involving in a math like the exponential function, trigonometric function, and logarithm function. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is 2nd of June 2021. 2nd of June 2021. This is a question number 6 from NCERT exercise 3.2. It is find the value of sin 765. Find the value of sin 765. Here given sin 765, you can write down it sin 2 into 360. 2 into 360 makes it 720. 720 plus 45. 45. Firstly, we need to convert into the form. If there is a bigger angle, then you have to convert. If it is given in the degree, then you have to convert or the multiple of 180 or the multiple of 360. 360, the sin 2 into 360 means 720 plus 45 makes 765. Now you have a formula. If it is in the 360 degree, then sin 360 plus theta. Firstly, see here 360 plus theta. This is 360 plus theta. It goes in the first quadrant. It goes in the first quadrant. And first quadrant are the trigonometric. This is all are positive. In this second quadrant, sine and reciprocal of sine are positive. This is tan and cot are positive. It is cos and sec are positive. Cos and sec are positive. If it is started from 0 to 90 degree, means theta lie in the first quadrant between 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree. And second quadrant theta lie between 90 to 180 degree. Third quadrant theta lie between 180 to 270 degree. And fourth quadrant theta lie between 270 to 360 degree. Here you see that 360 sin 360 plus theta makes it sin theta. Sin 360 plus theta makes it sin theta. If the multiple of 360, it is also working like a 360 plus theta. It is also working like the 360 plus theta. So firstly see here, if this goes in the first quadrant and the value of first quadrant, all the trigonometric values are in a positive sign. So it is sin 2 into 360 plus 45 makes it sin 360 plus theta in the form of sin 360 plus theta. It is also equal to sin theta, but at the place of theta, this is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. So its value is sin 45 degree. Now you know that the value of sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. This is the value of 765 degree. So student, when you have given a bigger value, then firstly you have to convert it in whether in the multiple of 180 or whether in the multiple of 360. Or you can also change it in the multiple of 90 and 270 degree. But use the bigger quantity 360 and use the formula. Then you find out the suitable value with the help of that one. If it is in the degree, then you have to use 360 plus theta. When it is in the radian, then you have to do pi plus theta or pi plus theta, pi minus theta, and 2 pi plus theta and 2 minus theta. So using this you can calculate all the trigonometric values. Thank you.